Hey guys, what's going on? It's T-Carp. I wanted to show you guys something that was sent to me by a really cool, awesome company, Feiwood or Vismix. Now they sent me this chest rig. Now if you've seen some of my shorts, you've seen how I've kind of laid this out. I haven't got a chance to super take it out just yet, but I have packed this out. I have done a few walks with it. I've taken it out on a few adventures, like on a boat and whatnot. And I wanted to show you guys how I really like this and kind of give you a first look at it. Okay, so a chest rig is meant to be worn right here, and this thing is really convenient because I can put this on, put a backpack on, and really go and have a ton of stuff. So this thing comes with 3 different pouches. First one, you can have things like your knife, your wallet, your phone, all that stuff in here. This has a pouch, a Velcro pack or a Velcro patch right here that you can put, things like American flags on, or you can say, hey, this is now my med kit, stuff like that, which makes life really cool, and it's easy to identify what you've done with this. The second pouch is really cool because how it works is you undo this and everything falls open. Okay, it has a drawstring where you can see how you want it to fall open. If you want it to fall level, if you want to fall all the way, it really works well. For me, I've got this set up like kind of a medical kit. I have hand sanitizer. I've got some gauze. I have some liquid bandage, some Carmex, some bug bites, some antibiotic stuff, or antibiotic ointment. I've got little things like that. This has a pouch in it where you can keep all, your Band-Aids, your gauze, things like that. This really makes just a great little med kit. Now, let me show you this. Kind of break it down like that. So, also, you've got a place for your field notes. I can write things down. I can write things down with my pen, just whatever comes about. Now, this also, again, you can put patches here, just whatever you need to, and it's got plenty of pockets there. Now, the one thing that I really do like about this, okay, come up here with me. The third pouch. And that really, I think, sets this above the rest for right now. When you open this up, this pops down, and boom, you can have your concealed carry firearm here. And this fits most about anything. So this is my Glock 17, okay? Fits right there, fits perfectly, and you can adjust it. So let's pretend that you don't have a Glock 17. Let's pretend that you have something, let's say like a little Ruger LCP, something a little smaller. You can take this and just adjust the Velcro, and boom, now you have that. So it makes life super easy and super simple because you've got that, you just unzip that, it is right there. So they really thought of everything here. The zippers are cam zippers. They are really nice. This is high quality, these big high quality buckles. This is a really high quality build and at a really good price. You can find these on Amazon. Again, look up Feiwood, F-E-I-W-O-O-D, Feiwood gear. I'm going to take this out on some adventures. I want to see what different ways we can really pack this out. I bet we could pack this out in a way that it's not just like a med kit up front. I bet you we could do things like a fishing kit, or you could even add like do a shooting kit. Like let's say when I go squirrel hunting, I could take this out and do that. So I'm going to try to take it out on some adventures. But so far on the little runaround things around the EDC stuff that I've had, this thing has been awesome. And I know you guys haven't seen it on camera, but this thing has been really good. Easy to carry with me on my biking adventures that I've done around town. So Guys, thank you so much for Vismix and Feiwood for sending me this gear out. I really do love it. So, check it out. I'll post the Amazon link down below. Check it out, see what you all think, and y'all be good. Again, thank you so much. This is T-Carp signing out.